How to Foodpanda Delivery. Foodpanda is a platform that delivers food and groceries from various restaurants and shops to your doorstep. To get Foodpanda Delivery, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Foodpanda app on your phone or visit the Foodpanda website on your browser. Step 2. Enter your address or use your GPS location to find the restaurants and shops that deliver to you. Step 3. Browse the menus and select the items that you want to order. You can also use filters to sort by cuisine, price, rating, etc. Step 4. Add the items to your cart and proceed to checkout. You can also apply any vouchers or discounts that you have. Step 5. Choose your preferred payment method, such as cash on delivery, online payment, or wallet. Step 6. Confirm your order and track its status on the app or website. You can also contact the rider or customer service if you have any issues or questions. Enjoy your food or groceries when they arrive at your door. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.